Hello all. So today we are going to see about the case study on random access memory. So in our course computer organization and architecture. Okay. So we know that RAM. So random access memory. So we have illustrated in this presentation. Okay. So this is the RAM. So in this case study we are going to see about that what is RAM and what are the things available in the RAM. Okay, how they have decided this RAM classified as the based on this how to say this memory space and then storage. Okay, like 16-bit memory and then 32-bit memory. Okay, so and then we are going to see about that how we can install the RAM in the motherboard. So these things we are going to discuss in the this presentation. So first, random access memory. So it is a virtually all the computer depends on the memory to perform its function. So like execution of the instruction, arithmetic operation, so all these things are done by the RAM. So it is a small kind of software thing and connected with the computer. So based on the RAM size only, it's going to decide the computer performance. So which means it's going to accessing the data in the main memory. We can retrieve the data as soon as. Okay, so next one, difference between RAM and SAM. So RAM stands for random access memory, SAM stands for serial access memory. Okay, so normally we are concentrate only the random access memory only, but serial access memory is that series of memory cells, so that can be accessed sequentially. So normally, so memory cells is a large area. So like memory management, so memory management is the so large spaces available. So the spaces are divided into cells. Each cells are implemented by the array concept and uh, classified by or segregated by rows and column. So each rows we have collected as the word, so like bit, byte, so similar thing. So we have said that. So how to install the RAM in the motherboard? Okay, so see this diagram. So this diagram is a motherboard and now is the blue color, this is the bus. So now the bus we are going to, it is the what is that interface. So interconnecting two devices. So we are going to insert it into this particular component in the motherboard. Okay, and we can handle carefully. So if misleads is goes to broken or not working properly, so these things will happen. So installation of RAM on motherboard. So in most common computer memory, so DRAM, so dynamic random access memory. So it so normally, so the system acceptable only the binary representation of zeros and one, either the on state or the off state. Okay, so but human readable is the higher level instructions, but machine only accepted the binary representation like zeros and one. So description label. So what are the things we see this various RAMs are there. Many companies are produced the RAMs. So what is the things they have mentioned in the RAM? Okay, so in the label. So here we have specified that for our instance. So this number is the capacity of either 2 GB, 3 GB, or 4 GB, 16 GB. So likewise, and also how many pins are there, and where the there's a country origin from, where the country. So these things are they have mentioned in the chip. Okay, so next one is the RAM memory notch identification. So how to identify how many notch are there? So based on the notch only, so we are going to decide that, so which kind of RAM is there, either DDR2 or DDR3 or sequential access memory or dynamically. Okay, so based on the notch only, so we are going to find out that. So next one is that, so RAM module. how many modules are there. So here is the modules means is that, so capacity. So based on the capacity, so we are going to normally in motherboard, okay, the two slots are provided that. So inbuiltly nowadays they are inbuiltly 4 GB RAM are recommended to use our most of the application, okay, but we need to increase the RAM size. Is that another slot is there, either we can replace the existing 4 GB RAM into our existing one, like 8 GB 16 GB like that. Otherwise we can additionally we can add the some other RAM in the allotted slot. So what is the purpose we have inserted, or we have concentrate on these inserts? So we will concentrate on the increasing the performance of the computer, and we can easily access the data and retrieve the data. The speed will be accessed. So nowadays, so most of the application came with the so minimum configuration of the 4 GB RAM, okay. So but due to internet and system structure, so will not be supported for executing our desired application. To overcome this, so we can inserted more number of and then increase the capacity of the RAM, so we will achieve the our desired work quickly, okay. So this was the reference we have used for our preparing the case study. So thank you.